Hi everybody, Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech. Quick little debrief on a nice trade from the week in Walmart. Walmart wasn't hard to believe in. It's doing very good if we look at on the daily. Really nice uptrend after the PSAR flip. Starting to accelerate and pull away from the dragon. I like that. It's been a BMR leader on the Dow 30, so lots of ways to find that one. And if we look on the 3-minute chart where we took our entry, I like to use the gaps to define part of the directional movement. I just see it like that as like here was the close and then here was the open. I just see that as one big green bar. So this was going to be, I see this as just a leg up and then it stabilized here, putting in this was then a higher low, and admittedly the entry was a little late. This was the not later than entry here. I was a little bit late to it. Just hadn't sat down at the computer yet, but it's still pretty good, with our stop down here. What was interesting about this one, I think, if we're just using the strict PSAR exit, where exit would have been here, we had the PSAR flip. But what I've been looking at lately is, particularly if it's something like this, where it's a really nice strong trend, right here where the PSAR flip occurs, to then put the stop here, so that often what seems to happen, at least it happens enough to be interesting, is that at the PSAR flip, it actually calls the higher low. And so that's what happened here, where, if we go in right at the PSAR flip, that was the end of the pullback, and then it takes off. So what I actually did was just wait then, move the stop up, but wait to see if does it come down here after the flip. Well, it didn't. It actually got a little bit more, not much, but enough to get a little bit more out of it. Walmart, and even if we look on the 15, it looked really well too. It looked really strong. We had, nice Kata2 in the middle of kind of right in the of the Kata2 on the 15. So some nice tailwind there. But yeah, overall, just a basic Kata2. This was the entry. We had the low here, leg up, pull back with the base, and then buying at the PSAR flip or the not later than. Pretty nice trade. So hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.